Fellow landlords, not only here in the United States, but across the world, we have some great news to share with you. And that great news is because of you. We learned at the end of February 2022 that out of the over 50 million YouTube channels worldwide, the Landlord Advocates is in the top 4% of those channels. And that is because of you. We have produced in that time frame 96 videos. They have been seen over 38,000 times. And we have over 1,000 subscribers. And all of this was done in less than 2 years. And YouTube has told us that we are smashing those analytics. And again, that is because of you. You know, landlords, that the motto of our channel is to help landlords become better landlords. This could not happen if you did not participate, if you did not watch our videos, if you did not participate in our live shows, if you did not share information with us, so that our team and the Landlord Advocates can analyze that information, critique it, and share it with you to make your life as a landlord better and easier and safer. We all know that there are people, tenants, entities, and government out there set upon making our lives as landlords much, much harder, to the point where we may not want to be landlords anymore. That is where we need to join together more and more in order to protect our rights as property owners and as landlords and as real estate investors. This will happen when we join more and more together. And this is happening because you are helping the Landlord Advocates grow more on YouTube and have a greater influence in the land of being a landlord, in the world of being a landlord, all across the planet. We are very grateful for you. We are very grateful to you for watching and subscribing, hitting the notification bell, liking our channel, leaving those comments, and sharing our content with other landlords from America, Canada, Europe, Africa, everywhere. We are very thankful to you for making the Landlord Advocates one of the highest rated YouTube channels all over the world. We're going to continue on this journey together for a long time to come. And we appreciate you, and we appreciate the ability to share with you our knowledge and our experience to help you become a better landlord. Until then, take care.